Good morning everybody. Happy Mahashivratri to all of you. Mahashivratri comes once a year and today is that very pious holy night. So during the day all the women are fasting, women folk, men, everybody, they are fasting and they pray to Shivji for good health, prosperity, companionship and peace on earth. So now for the fasting people, let us make some nice fasting thali which they can eat during the day. I will make aloo ki sabji. I will make a hari chutney with dhania and ajwain patta and green chilies. Just keep in mind, and puris. Keep in mind that during fasting basically it is falahar. Salt is also not used, so I will be using senda namak, which is fasting salt. And I will make puris, and you can make samake rice also if you want. No onion, garlic is used while making these preparations. For aloo ki sabji, I will be using 3 potatoes which are boiled and cubed, and to give it a good tadka and make it little tasty in oil, I will need a little ginger pieces chopped fine, green chilies chopped fine, and coriander leaves. Now for the chutney, I will require dhania, I will require little bit of ginger, just a small piece, 4 to 5 green chilies as per your requirement, depends how spicy you like it. Then I am adding ajwain patta to it and nimbu ka ras, and I will be using senda namak in all my preparations because during fast normal salt is not used, senda namak is used while fasting. Then I will make puris with this. I will be making curds with some fruit in it, fruit curd, and a glass of chas. Let us make chutney first. For chutney, the ingredients that I require are 1 lemon. I will be using the juice. Then coriander leaves around 1 cup. 3 to 4 green chilies. I am adding a little more because I like my chutney to be spicy. 1 small piece of ginger. Then I am using ajwain patta, that gives it a nice taste and it is good for digestion. And I will be using not normal salt but senda namak. Senda namak comes in big pieces. You can go to the shop and ask him to give you senda namak. And then you break it into small pieces and then grind it in the mixer and powder it and store it in a bottle. You can use this. It's very good to use if you have blood pressure patients in the house. It is good for blood pressure, as well as during fasting this salt is used. And I will need little sugar or gur. I have put everything in the mixer jar and added 1 juice of lemon also and senda namak, and a little sugar I have added instead of using gur. Chutney is ready. I am going to remove it in a barni and keep it aside. I have removed it in this barni and I can use it, store it in the fridge and use it through 3 times. Take a pan and heat it and then add 1 big tablespoon of oil to this, cooking oil, or you can make it in desi ghee also, it's up to you. Now add to this jeera and mustard seeds. One teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Keep it on slow fire. Now add ginger and green chilies that I have chopped. Roast it. Be careful, the jeera should not turn black. Now add the potatoes to this. You can cut the potatoes or you can add them whole and then cut them with the spoon later on. Since they are boiled, they cut very easily. So I can keep on cutting them as it is getting roasted nicely. When they turn brown, I will add all the salt, haldi and all those things. All the spices. Roast it for at least 5 minutes. Let the pieces turn brownish, slightly red. I'm going to use only senda namak in this vrat ka khana. Just keep that in mind. Senda namak is very good for blood pressure heart patients. I think those with these problems can always use senda namak. Now add salt, half a teaspoon. Depends how many potatoes you have taken. I have taken 3 big ones, so I am using half a teaspoon of salt. Senda namak ज़्यादा नमकीन नहीं होता, so you can take half a teaspoon. Then I have taken dhania powder, jeera powder, the roasted jeera I have ground it to powder. Then I have taken red chili powder and haldi. And now keep this covered for 5 minutes. Add some kasuri methi. This will give it a nice aroma and taste, and they will be really very delicious. You can add little chaat masala if you want. So my aloo ki sabji is also ready. Now keep it aside. Now I will make atta for puri. Take 2 katoris of gehu ka atta, and with warm water, salt and ajwain, make a nice soft dough with it. It's ready. The aloo ki sabji is nicely done. There's no need to add any water. It's giving a nice taste and aroma. Now let us make puris. To make puri, I have taken 1 big cup of wheat flour. To this I will add half a teaspoon of salt, little bit of haldi, and dhania powder and jeera powder. You may add red chili powder also, but in my house nobody eats chilies, and aloo mein already chili hai, green chili I have added. So in this I am not going to add. Now take filter water 1 cup and slowly keep on adding and make a soft dough out of it. I have added water, mix it all up, and slowly keep on adding as per requirement, otherwise it will get too sticky if you add too much of water, and make a nice soft dough. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil or ghee or butter, whatever you like to add, and again knead it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I have made a nice soft dough, and now I am going to cover this with a damp cloth for 15 to 20 minutes. Covered it for 15 to 20 minutes, let it set nicely, then we will start bailing out puris. The atta is getting ready. I am making this curd with fruit. I am using only strawberries. I have already shared this recipe in my previous video. You can follow that. Take a few strawberries and crush them along with some sugar and add it to the curd. Let the curd be thick and add a few pieces of strawberry. So this is a nice fruity curd which is ready to serve as a sweet dish with the thali. Now to make puri, take a kadahi or a pan, add oil to it. Cooking oil or ghee, whatever you use in the house to make your food, and then now let us roll out small puris and fry them, deep fry them in this oil. Roll out a puri. It should not be very thin, not very thick. See, the oil is hot. Yes, it's done. So now put this puri inside and fry it. Similarly, make 5 to 6 puris, as many as you require for the thali. I am making one to show you. When you keep the atta covered for some time, it rises well, it gets set properly, and you get nice fully puriyan. Do this on medium flame, otherwise क्या होता है, ऊपर से पूरी आटा जल जाता है और अंदर से कच्ची रह जाती है. तो whenever you are cooking, do it on a medium flame. Drain out all the oil and then remove it on a piece of cloth or on a tissue. So my व्रत की थाली is ready. महाशिवरात्रि के व्रत की थाली for all the women who are fasting today. Shivji bless them. Har Har Mahadev. Now what all is there? There is one papad, then there is puris, then there is curd with fruits, mirchi ka achar and aloo ki sabji and green chutney. I have used only senda namak, that is vrat ka namak, and there is no garlic at all and no onion at all. It is only jeere ki chaunk and all the masalas, that is haldi, namak and all, and everything is extremely delicious and filling. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, comment and share my video in case you feel like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is my mirchi ka achar. I have already shared the recipe with you in my YouTube channel. This is aloo ki sabji. This is strawberry curds. This also I have shared with you. This is chutney which is without onion. So I have already shared it in this video. Then these are the puris and that is papad. So my complete meal is ready. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Enjoy your thali and God bless you.